Hey everyone, we're back today again working on the Porsche, and we finally got the ECU and the wiring for that. And we're not going with a stock ECU for the LS engine because we are planning to do the supercharger on it too later, and it will give us more flexibility to use in the aftermarket ECU. And what could be better than Terminator? So we got everything from the whole EFI and a BMS tuning. They helping us with this kit. So this is wiring for that. More wiring. So we basically have everything plug and play, which is not gonna take too long to install it. And this is kit made particular for the engine I'm using, and also has a transmission wiring in it. So this one is a transmission kit, so it will control our 4L70E transmission. This one is a drive-by-wire harness, so we're using the throttle body drive-by-wire. And here is ECU itself. This ECU and the transmission controller all in one, basically plug and play, and like everybody can do it. It's not to install. The manual. So wiring, everything is marked. Basically, you just bring it in, plug every single plug where it says to be plugged in, and that's it. That's basically the whole harness you're gonna install. And everything is pre-assembled, I mean pre-wired or the right length, so it's easy to use. We're getting close to make this engine run. We're working on wiring stuff. Also just need to pull the headers off, take the paper tape out, change the spark plugs, put some oil in, and for the wiring just a few more sensors need to get done, and probably gonna try to hot wire today without connecting to the car. Just wanna see how it's gonna work. So we're getting ready for another start. The first problem was the cooling line for the transmission. I forget to hook them up, so that's why I spilled a little bit oil. Now it's temporary fixed, everything hooked up, so we're just gonna do the start. So basically I'm hot wiring everything right now. I have my second battery, just hook up the ECU to that. The fuel pump connected from the Terminator. So as you can see, we emulate everything. We have all our data here, and the ignition is on. Now we're going to emulate the starter. So here it is, it runs. start. And it works